Good afternoon. How's everyone doing? This is Aaron from PCH Custom Audio Online Car Stereo in Murrieta, California. So this is our Tesla Cybertruck. So as you can see, we did a mirror DVR replacement system. So this whole kit is 100% plug and play. What does that mean? We didn't cut and splice it into anything. So this is all used off the factory plugs and the factory triggers. So that's really cool. Doesn't compromise anything with the integrity of the car. As you can see, I got no lights, no code, none of that stuff. Everything works perfectly fine. The cool thing about this as well is obviously it's a DVR, records the back, so I can put a bunch of people in the back seat and I can see perfectly fine. All you Cybertruck owners, this is the factory mirror in a Tesla Cybertruck. So this is actual replacement. So you unbolt the factory mirror out of here and put the new one in. So that's what's really cool. It's not just a quick little clip on. I can slide it over and I have my split screen now. So this actually has a 4K front camera and the rear. So now I can swipe it full screen and watch my front as well. We go back to the back, and then again, it's all T-harness, no cutting, no splicing. So if you guys have questions or concerns, or you have a Cybertruck and you're interested in doing something like this, come on down, give us a follow, give us a like, call us at PCH Custom Audio in Murrieta.